Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. I am packing to go to New York. I leave tonight. So that's the plan. I did some like outfit fittings last night. Okay, so doing trials for my outfits that I'm carrying. I'm doing such a YOLO thing this time. I'm just carrying nice outfits even though I don't have a single fashion week show planned, but never hurts to wear really nice outfits and get some content. This is from a designer called Abhishek Mishra. Comes with like a hood and stuff. It's such a cool look, and I think I'm carrying it off, guys. Feeling myself. I'm a pretty good packer. Almost ho gayi hai meri packing. Just last few things. So I had like a very slow morning. I just started my period yesterday, and the 1 week before my period, I always get very like lethargic and slow. And this was always the case, but I always thought that maybe it's just a coincidence or maybe I'm just making excuses. But then I went online and like read about it because I was like, ये हर बार नहीं हो सकता. And I found something called the luteal phase. Like maybe it's that. So I've just been taking it easy. Like I got up आराम से. I missed my workout class and मैंने 30 minutes की meditation कर ली. That's good enough for me अभी. Since I have like a long night ahead of me, like prepping for like a proper work event, fashion week looks like this. It's mainly dealing with deliveries and stuff, and my team helps me out with this, which is really great. Like I have a styling team, Valencia and Aman. They will send me a bunch of different options to try on and wear, which we select based on like what I'm doing. So this time for New York Fashion Week, we're trying to like attend some shows there, so I'm taking 3 looks with me. So I tried on a lot last night and इतना सारा mess बन जाता है उससे. So just trying to deal with that. Alright guys, a short break from packing. I want to come here and talk about my new EP that's coming out. I just made the post for it on Instagram and here on YouTube community. EP is basically a short album, so I have new music coming out, guys, which I've been talking about in every vlog, literally. I made myself a matcha, which is my favorite drink. I have been trying to completely switch over to drinking matcha instead of coffee. It's just better for my, I don't feel as wired if I'm drinking matcha, and I just really love it. So I'm releasing a new EP, guys, on the 14th of Feb, Valentine's Day. We are releasing an EP called Finding Joy, and I'm going to tell you all about it. So firstly, this is going to be an amalgamation of the 3 songs that I put out in 2024, Masoomia, Yakeen, Intezar, and 2 new songs. First one is Kahin Chale, second one is Ishare. Now, firstly, the name, Finding Joy. Now, you guys know that I went through a mental health, journey, which I shared so openly about here. And this is telling that same story. In fact, in 2024, in the beginning, मैंने सोचा था कि मुझे music ही release नहीं करना. And I don't know, I just, thought that I really just want to zero in on 1-minute drama videos, develop myself as a storyteller and actor, and just focus on that. So I had started out with that intention, but मेरे पास ये जो गाना है मासूमिया, it was ready पहले से. So I was like, ठीक है, ये पूरी शिद्दत से करेंगे and then we'll move on. But then after that, in Feb last year, I got an award for music, and I remember calling my life coach and being like, यार मैंने तो कुछ और decide करा था, अब ये क्यों हो रहा है? And she also just was like, you didn't plan for this, right? It came to you, so maybe just go with the flow. And then in March, I got the opportunity to perform at Social Nation. And I was like, dude, ye ho kya raha hai? Because I'm getting pulled into it. And Social Nation, that performance was a really big deal for me because it was like a perfect dream come true. I sang all the originals that I wrote and also did a dance break, looked like a pop star with my outfit, and the whole set was just like a dream for me. And I remember that I had put a picture of like a POV of a mic in front of a big crowd in my vision board, just as a random picture. And ये सब चीज़ें हो रही थी. So I was like, यार उस performance के बाद I spoke to my team, Varsha, everybody, and I was like, यार तो लग रहा है मेरे को करना ही पड़ेगा. So I started writing again, and before I released Khali Khali, I never thought I had writing talent. And as soon as I started writing, it just kept flowing, and I thought, wow, this is like this untapped thing that's coming from inside me. I sang in school and I sang as a kid. I never wrote, but it was just like this innate, gift, I guess, that was just coming out, and I just felt so proud. And the only thing that I could write about was my true feelings. And because I went through such a huge mental health journey, Masoomia is kind of about that. Yakeen is totally about that, because there was a phase in my life where I completely lost belief in myself. And the video also shows that. And of course, I was directing the videos as well. Not Masumia, but because we were also trying to do it in a budget. So directing the videos also. And then after that, Intezar, which was like, I guess you can say, my first happy song of this Finding Joy era, because, you know, since the last 5 years, even though I was going through shit in mental health wise and couldn't figure out what to do work wise, I was trying so hard, but I was falling in love and like nurturing a really beautiful relationship. And it was long distance, as you guys know now. So I wrote about it, and it was so natural and just so nice, and so many of you resonated with that. All the reels that I put out as promo of the song, they blew up, and it was so organic and so natural. Okay, if there's a slight frame change, I'm sorry, my phone died in the middle. Yeah, so talking about the new songs, there's also Kahin Chale, which is also about long distance, and
Hi. Okay. जहाँ मैं जाऊँ तेरी हंसी
cut up all the bits. That's so much work, like from my voice. Guys, I'm vlogging today, so like don't be awkward if I'm just talking to the camera.
Yeah.
Rohan, do you mind being in the vlog?
I don't mind.
Okay, meet Rohan.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. Meet Anahita. She's also here in the studio. The studio is the prettiest, nicest ever, and they're just laying down the track before we start. And say hi to Arshia. जहाँ मैं जाऊँ सितारों में तेरी बाहों में
Bleed and all, man.
जहाँ रातें जहाँ मैं जाऊँ साथ चले कहीं जाते तू आता है और कहता है.
Hey, really nice song, man.
Ishare is about just feeling really, really self-assured, and I have an amazing music video and some fun things planned around it. ठीक है.
बहुत सही था ब्रो.
सही आया
काफी
था?
काफी
नज़रें मेरे इशारों पे मैं अपनी
nice. So yeah.
बातें तुम्हारी हजारों रातें गुजारी ना वो मेरे इशारों पे तेरी नज़रें में
सही है?
भाई मस्त है. सही है यार.
Hopefully an inner circle event and some other fun, cool events that we as a team are working on. And the music video for Kahin Chale also comes out on the 14th. जो ऋषभ के साथ last vlog में shoot करी थी. That is the Kahin Chale music video, and I know you guys will love it. So 14th को all the songs will be available on all streaming platforms, whatever it is that you use, Spotify, Gaana, Apple Music, Amazon, YouTube Music. Please go and stream, and of course the music video will be here. I'll also be posting 1-minute drama videos telling the stories of the songs, but you, the vlog family, already knows. Yeah, I'm so proud of our EP cover art, the photo, this big massive puzzle. You guys saw in the last vlog that मैंने कुछ जुगाड़ करके वो puzzle बनवाया with that picture of me, and we're going with like red as like the main color for Finding Joy and the new era. So you're gonna see more of that. And the puzzle is because, and you see that I've been using the puzzle emoji everywhere too. That's like the visual motif of this album, of this EP. And the reason is that because मेरा कोई plan नहीं था to put music out, right? So each song sounds different. So I was brainstorming with Joey and the team कि भाई क्या बनाऊँ मैं इसका cover art. And discussions में आया कि maybe a puzzle, because I have sort of found who I am, found joy, and through these different parts of myself. And the puzzle just felt amazing, and I found an amazing like visual reference which we tried to play from. Okay, I won't show you a lot because the surprise will be ruined, but basically it looks super cool. And this is the final image that we got, and it's so beautiful and I'm so proud of it. And yeah guys, that's it. 14th Feb, this Valentine's Day. Love yourself, girls and boys, and stream the songs and stay tuned for the epic music videos, especially Kahin Chale Bhi will be amazing. I know Joey is directing it. Joey's shot and edited it. I've directed it, and Ishare to will be super epic. Abhi shoot kiya nahi hai, but I know already. So yeah, back to me packing for the US. Oh, one thing I forgot. So this name, right, Finding Joy. When I had made the first album I released, Shy, at that time I had thought कि यार next जो भी मैं project करूँगी ना, I'll call it Finding Joy, and I have like this written in my notes from 2022, and I was going through a mental health struggle at that time, so I knew कि यार once I get out of it, like the whole arc can be called this, and it's insane how I actually executed on it, guys. Here's to saying consistent and loyal to your goals no matter what the fuck happens in your life. So yeah. Random thing, guys, in the vlog, I have found this amazing tripod. Actually, initially Joey had given this to me last time when I had gone to the US to shoot Ishare, and she told me कि ढंग के shots लेकर आना, take my tripod. And so I got another tripod similar to that. Look at this, guys. What the it's this small and it comes up till this height and it's so compact. I'm gonna pack this in. And another thing I purchased from Amazon recently, which goes in my handbag, is a little light. This is all you need, and that little sticker जिसकी वजह से मैंने phone window पे लगा हुआ है. Guys, too good. Oh, and another thing, where is it? Power bank. Finally got myself one, and look at how like epic this is. Blink it. Bye bye. Bye bye. Hi guys, I made it to New York. I made it to Bharat's apartment, and after such a long flight, I just like brushed my teeth, had a bath, unpacked, and I was just going through everything. Bharat has a cute little apartment which is close to his university, and he told me that he left a mug for me, and इसमें matcha है, because he knows I love matcha, and he's made it for me, and I'm gonna go heat it up. I'm so happy. Yeah, he also got me this like avocado toast thing because he knows I like all this stuff, and this like pudding. I'm gonna watch TV. I'm so happy and I'm so touched. Hi Bharat, welcome to the vlog. Bharat's making food. I chopped the vegetables. I am so jet lagged. It's 6 PM. मुझे तो सोना है अभी. Bharat has this thing where he makes food very, very slowly. So I'm just like...
Those things take time.
Hi guys, good morning from... Hi guys, good morning from New York. So that's it, I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm going to be vlogging throughout the New York trip. So stay tuned for the next vlogs, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.